All right, today we're going to show you how to fix a 2016 Ford Flex second row middle seat belt. This bad boy won't retract. So I'm going to show you the steps involved to getting that all taken care of. Stay tuned.
All right. So here you go. We got our seat belt. Not able to go back in. What you're going to need are just a small assortment of some of your everyday household tools. Nothing extravagant. No special tools needed. But let me go get what we need, and I'll be right back. All right. So what we're going to use today, standard screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, a hammer, any size hammer, claw hammer, right? Something that has a claw. And I'm going to use a drill, a regular old household drill, and a star pattern bit. A little star pattern bit, small one. There we go. So this is a number 10. Little number 10 bit. It's a star. All right, you probably can't see it that well in the film, but that's what it is. So we're going to start off by taking off a little cover. Actually, now that I think about it, we don't even need to take that off. I was going to take the cover off of the seatbelt up top, but I don't think it's even necessary. So we're going to skip that for now because I don't think that we need to do that. So we're going to fold our seats down and start removing the back side of the seat covers. All right, so there's these little clips. You can just kind of separate them by folding them back. And you'll take the clip off of this side that pops inside this side here, right? And then you're gonna remove these little clips on the cardboard or the particle board backing. They could be a little tight, you know. You can use a screwdriver. I just muscled it. This side will have the same. So if you fold it back far enough, it'll pop out one side and just slide it all the way across. You can pull these off as well. And so now you have some access to your backing. Now what we need is right here. The mechanism for the seat belt is right here. So I need to be able to get this up and off of there and then remove this so that I have access to the seatbelt mechanism, which is underneath this wooden backing part. Okay. So this is where you'd use your screwdriver to pop open these little pins underneath here that's holding your fabric, right? So I loosen up one area of it, pop my hammer in there, and pull up the pin. All right, your standard push pin rivet. I don't even know what it's called, but so it's simple, right? Get that screwdriver in there, open it up a little bit, put your hammer back in there, and pop them out. Simple. Okay, we're going to work our way carefully around the seat to make sure that we're not going to rip anything. and this might take a little back and forth, the fabric and the chair going back and forth, opening and closing it, so you can get all this fabric down and around. You don't want to rip anything. All right, so just take your time. Unless you're in a hurry, in which case, take it to the dealership, have them do it. These guys, I'm just gonna leave them in place and pop this thing out, pivot it. All right, now we have our seat belt. This is the mechanism that is locked up. I'm hoping that it's not broken, but just stuck. And if that's the case, all I'd have to do is, I should theoretically be able to put the screwdriver in here, wedge it in place, wedge it out of place, I should say, and it should unlock. We'll see. Boom, there you go. Boom, there you go.
There we go.
Seatbelt is working. So it just got stuck. I just saved myself hundreds of dollars by switching to Geico. Just kidding. By doing this myself. I hope you guys learned something from it and that you're able to do the same. It took me about 15 to 20 minutes to get this all taken apart, and it'll probably take me about the same amount of time putting it back together. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and feel free to comment, share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more fun, safe ways to save some money and do things on your own. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Take care.